In this example, we're going to review the trim formula. The trim formula is used to remove all unnecessary spaces from a selected text. So let's take a look at the formula before we jump into an example. The formula is pretty simple. It's just equal to trim, open parentheses, and then you select the text that you want to trim. So the text is the cell that contains the text that you want to modify. Let's take a look at an example. In our example, we have some cells which contain way too many spaces between the words. This is sometimes the result of pasting data from a different source, like a web page or a different file. Or if you're exporting data from a general ledger system or other source system, then sometimes the data is not clean and needs to be trimmed. We will use the text formula to remove the unwanted spaces in this case. So if you take a look at column C, starting in row 24, we can see some examples of sentences which contain unwanted spaces. So if we want to trim that, the only thing that we need to do, starting in cell F25, is put in the formula equals trim, open parentheses, and then reference the cell that we want to trim. In this case, we want to trim cell C25, so we reference cell C25. When we press enter, we can see that the result is a proper sentence with only one space between words. So it got rid of the double space that previously existed in between the words my name. We can see that the spaces continue to be removed where they're redundant in the sentences through row 29. I love my profession appears to have several unwanted spaces, and when we apply the trim formula to cell C29, it results in a proper text formula and a proper text result that just says I love my profession with only one space between the words.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.